So with neck pain, a lot of people will complain of pain that goes from the top corner of the scapula, or the shoulder blade, the top inside corner, and can radiate up to the back of the head. This is common with huck neck if you're crashing off of jumps when you're skiing, or if you're if you're a desk athlete and you're sitting in office a lot on the keyboard with your head forward. So you can use that porcelain spoon you have to help release that pretty easily. I use a little bit of oil. You can just use whatever oil you have in your kitchen, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, olive oil, or use any sort of massage cream if you like. And then you just take your inside of your porcelain spoon and just slowly start moving from the occiput, so the top of the neck where it meets the skull, and slowly move down towards the shoulder blade. So about as much pressure as I'm putting would be like a 2 out of 10 to start. So just light pressure to start. And after I get all the way down to the shoulder blade, which is kind of my destination, I can come back up and go a little bit harder, maybe a 4 out of 10. I'm just doing small strokes, about 2 strokes per second. And if I'm doing any long strokes, I'm going to do those about 10 seconds for 30 centimeters. So if I was to go 30 centimeters, it would take about 10 seconds to get there. So I find in the neck, those short strokes are the best. And so I don't want to be doing this for more than 2 minutes. If I want to give them a little bit of a stretch, I'll ask them to turn their head to the left and kind of look down like you're trying to look inside your armpit. And I'll hold that stretch, and I'll do it under stretch to get a stronger effect. So again, go no more than 2 minutes for something like this. You'll see, you might not be able to see with the camera here, you can get a little bit of redness here, which is an appropriate response. Sometimes that redness will look a bit rashy afterwards. That should go away in about 2 to 4 days.